If you are afraid to deploy on Friday, your testing strategy is weak. Real mobile systems are not just built, they are tested automatically and continuously. Why testing is system design? Testing is not a QA problem, it's an architecture problem. If your app is tightly coupled, hard-coded dependencies, no interfaces, no separation, you can't test it properly. So testing starts with good architecture. The unit test. Unit test means test one small piece in isolation. For example, view model logic, use case, business rule, repository behavior, data mapping, and the tools you can use to make a unit test: JUnit in Android, XCTest in iOS, mock frameworks, Mockito, and mock double K. The goal: fast, no real network, no real database. Test only logic. The integration testing. Integration test means test multiple layers together. For examples, repository plus API mock server, database plus data access object, and use case plus your repository. Here we test: do components work correctly together or no? Slower than unit tests, but more realistic. UI testing, end to end. UI tests simulate real user behavior. For example, the login flow, add to cart, complete payment, and the tools you can use: Espresso library in Android, XCUI test in iOS, Flutter integration underscore test. These tests verify buttons work, navigation works, screens behave correctly. The test automation. Manual testing doesn't scale. Automation means tests run automatically, no human clicking, runs on every commit. Automated tests prevent breaking old features, regression bugs, silent crashes. Continuous integration deployment, CI/CD pipeline. Developer pushes code and CI runs unit test, integration test, UI tests. If tests pass, build will generated. It is optional to auto-deploy to staging. Popular CI tools like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Bitrise, Jenkins. This gives confidence, faster releases, fewer production bugs. Architecture level thinking. A senior mobile architect asks, can this feature be unit tested? Are dependencies injected? Is networking abstracted? Can we mock everything? Are tests fast enough to run on every PR? Testing influences architecture decisions. Example in a fintech application. If a user taps a pay button, unit tests, payment validation logic, balance check, integration tests, payment plus repo plus mock API, and UI test will full payment flow. CI pipeline ensures no broken transactions, no crashes, no regression. The common mistakes: only UI testing, no unit tests, testing with real APIs, slow tests, developers ignore them, no CI pipeline. Testing is not extra work, it's system insurance. A real mobile architect designed testable code, automated pipelines, fast feedback loops, safe deployments. Thanks for watching and see you next video.